Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create WordPress restaurant online ordering website. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install a plugin. So this plugin will aid us in order to create our ordering website. So click on plugins and click on this add new plugin right there. Once you have done that, you should be able to see here the plugin marketplace of WordPress. Click on this search plugin and then let's try to search in here for RestoPress. So let's search in here for that. And you should be able to see it from in there. So in here, the actual spelling is this one. You can see in here this RestoPress online food ordering system. Click on this install now. And then once you have installed this, just wait for this to finish. And then from in there, just head over and click on activate on the same place. And then once it's done activating, let's just head over and then try to refresh our site once it's done. Now from in there, click on this refresh now. And then once it's done refreshing, we should be able to see it on our WordPress dashboard already installed. So let's try to scroll on here on our sidebar. And then you should be able to see here this RestoPress. So let's head over and click on this right here in order to see the dashboard of this RestoPress right here. Now we need to actually install RestoPress on any of our sites. So we have it here, our RestoPress. Now this is just the dashboard. And seeing here this customers, discount codes, as well as anything. You can also head over right here to the settings in order to customize it however you want as well. Now let's head over and switch to a new tab and head over to docs.restopress.com/docs/shortcodes. And then you should be able to see in here all the shortcodes that you can have installed on your site with this one. Now I have in here my page that will have my food menu. Now let's head back and now let's scroll down right here until you can see these food items. So we should be able to add in here some food items that we have. For example, let's click on this add new option right here. And then from there, we should be able to add a new food item that will be added to our menu. For example, let's just name it right here as pizza. Then, for example, let's name it as delicious pizza right here. So you can add any description you want to use for this. And you can put in here this item details. It can be vegetarian, non-vegetarian, or not available. Then put in here the price that you want people to pay for it. For example, let's put in here $9.99. And you can also add in here variable pricing if you have different flavors of that specific food menu. Now head over right here to the category and you can select a category right here. If you don't have anything yet, you can click on this add new category. Then for example, let's name this Italian. And then click on the save changes and you should be able to add a category for this particular one. Now you can also click on this add-ons right here and you can select particular add-on for this. So for example, let's click on this create new add-on. Like for example, let's add in here an add-on for a specific type. You can also put in here a max selection and also the add-on category. So let's put in here sauce. And then the type is single and then the item will be pizza sauce. And the add-on size for this or the add-on price for this will be around $1.99 only. Then from in there, you should be able to head over and add this as an add-on. Now you can also add some tags and the likes. Now head over and click on publish right here. And then this will be added on your food item on your menu. Now once you head over to your pages right here, we have in here this page called order online. Now you can head over and view this, and as you can see, this is what it will look like. So we have in here this order online, and as you can see, the food menu that we have added has been added right here on this particular page. Now you can head over and click on add right here, and then this should be added on your settings, and you can choose it can be delivery or pickup. You don't need to customize it anymore because this order settings has already been integrated by RestoPress itself, which is a really healthy and really helpful tool. So you can just choose the time right here. For example, you're a customer and you can try to update it. And then from in there, it should be added on your cart. And you can also add some add-ons we have just created earlier and click on this add to cart right here. Then as you can see, it's been added to cart. So once it's been added to your cart, you should be able to see it from in here on your cart. And you should be able to check it out as well. So just click on this checkout in order to check it out. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.